Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. So I always like bringing you recipes that are quick, easy and use very little ingredients. So today I have the recipe for you for a 2-ingredient bagel, and it is completely flawless. It's low calorie and low fat. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Here they are. I want you to see. Oh, absolutely amazing. So we're standing in my kitchen. Let's get cooking. So let's begin. We take a little blender. I've taken my little Ninja, and in that I'm going to put in 200 grams of paneer. Paneer is low fat, low calorie, and it's nice to get some low fat stuff also in the keto low carb world. I've added 1 large egg, and I'm going to keep on blending it and blitzing it until it literally comes and forms a ball in the blender itself, like almost like a ball. See, now can you see it's all pieces and I can handle it. I'm just checking it right now. But what I'm going to do is, I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt, which is optional. It's up to you. Now I've taken a silicone mat on a tray and I've oiled my hands and I'm forming it into bagels. And I'll get about 4 to 5 out of this, depending on the size that you make. And I'm going to put it into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees centigrade for about 18 to 22 minutes. I didn't have the everything bagel seasoning, so I'm adding some sesame seeds and some mixed herbs on top. Feel free to put the everything bagel seasoning. Now in it goes, and here they are out of the oven. Such a quick and easy recipe using just 2 ingredients. I think you're going to love this one. Thanks for watching and bye. See ya.